I,
Mele no NāNANAKULI was written by Mililani Allen. Now, she had that version, but then the version she taught us in our halau was a little bit different, but it still had the same essence of it. Talked about NāNANAKULI, the ocean feeding the people, and how beautiful that ocean was. Talks about Hālau, the silent mountain. Talks about Maui's mother living in NāNANAKULI and how he held the sun, right, to let the kapa dry. So it mentions that. When we do songs like that, I have the students visualize when we're going through NāNANAKULI. Look at that place. Look at Hālau on the side, the silent mountain, right? And then you learn, oh, Piliokahe was the guardian of that place.